Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. Final video on the 1966 Pro Straight Big Block Supercharged Dual Quad Nova.
Hear that rumble, Arizona steel, Crash Customs.
Beast, one last thing, maybe two or three last things, right? Obviously, windshield. We gotta slide that into the groove and just do a final detail, final cleanup, and then we'll pull it outside. You get to hear it run because it sounds so mean. I don't plan on test driving it. I didn't do anything that warrants me driving this on the street. It would be a fun ride though, right? Just cruising through the mall parking lot would get some eyebrows raised. I know it. That's the plan. Slide this in, clean it up, roll it outside, and do an overall video. And we got the windshield in. Looking pretty right, looking pretty tight. That being said, we do not do glass work. So if you're local, don't call us, call somebody else. I never did a final video. It's back in because we had to get this done for a car show, and the last piece was a new door latch assembly for the driver's side. So we're sneaking it in. I'm going to replace the door latch assembly so the lever springs back, and we'll do a final video on this. All of our work on the Nova is done. Let me give you a quick walk around on some of the stuff we did. New door hinges, power windows on the doors. That is installed. Major things. Inner fenders out of aluminum, all hand fabricated right here. Torx head hardware. Oh man, I really like exposed hardware when it's cool hardware. We also took this Torx head hardware theme into the interior. Made a new dash pad on the top. This piece here for the gauges we all made here, and full center console. You can see those LED lights too, man. I'll hit the lights, get it a little darker in here, and you can see that light up. right? Door panels have LEDs, center console has them, and the bottom of the dash facing towards the floor, obviously. Door panels, we made the door panels and the quarter interior panels, right, to match the TMI seats. Design follows through the whole interior. We also modified the roll cage. There was a solid bar here and in the back. Now you can slide them in and bolt them in, right? We did some carpet replacement. Everything just, I'm so happy with how everything came out on here. It didn't have door hand, or it didn't have armrests either when it came in, so we put armrests on it. Those are stock armrest reproductions. Oh man, this thing came out so wicked. It was a total race car before. Now you can actually drive it on the street and be comfortable. You know, if 1100 horsepower is comfortable on the street, right? Did some polishing. These handles were here, but I polished those. Column I polished, and the shifter, just freshened things up, right? Painted the cage. That was blue and black from different modifications throughout the years from the previous owner. Now it's all black to match the interior. I think it's time to pull this out. Pull this out in the sun. Whoa, wait. Let me hit the lights in here, ceiling lights, and show you how bright those LEDs get. I stayed late to get some work done on some of my own stuff. Should be able to show off these interior lights. It's so dark in here. Yeah, look at that. She lit up now. Center console, door panels, underside of the dash. Black interior at night. It's nice to be able to see what's going on if you need to. You know, when you drop your bubble gum between the seats. All right. Brace yourself for this. It's gonna be mean. chest hair grew just moving it 30 feet. God. Check out that Street Machine Pro Street stance. Got a bit of a dump in the front. Aggressive stance, right? For the aggressive wheels, tires, aggressive motor. Oh man, there's no bad days in this thing right here. Just hearing it idle, it's wicked. 100% wicked. Came out awesome. Look at the sun hitting that fender and all the polish on the motor, right? Super cool ride. Imagine seeing this in your rear view mirror. Busting down the road. Are you gonna get out of the way? I think you're gonna get out of the way with those pulleys spinning, that air intake sucking in seagulls. Oh. All right. All that's left is for Mark to pour some gas in it and cruise it. I got lots of previous videos on everything we did on that. The engine bay, the interior, specific video just for the center console. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep giving you weekly content as always. Thanks.